Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you add subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to add subtitles in Adobe Premiere Pro, as you can see I have selected a clip from my channel, and after that you need to just go here in the edit option and you need to just go to your text. Just go to text, and if you don't find this text, just click on here and you need to just click on text. And after that you need to just select the clip and click on this option, create captions for transcript. Click on it, then you can just edit these options. Click on subtitle default. After that click on captioning preferences. You can make it subtitle because we are making a subtitle. If there is any style for you, you can do it. You can maximum the length in characters. You can make it big if you like. You can minimum the duration in seconds, and you can also put gap between frames if you want. You can also make the line single or double, and after that just click on transcript and create options. You need to wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, all the captions has been created. If you play the video, and you will see you can change any of this caption to edit. Just like if you click on this caption and if you click on essential graphics, you can change this caption. It's like if you change the font, you can do it like this. You can make the font bigger if you like. You can change the font color if you click on fill like this. If you click on stroke, you can give the font barrier like type of stroke like this. You can make the stroke bigger like this. You can also put a background. Choose the background color if you want. You can edit the background as well. If you want to edit this, you can just edit all of this like this. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.